Let's go, come on.
What time is it?
All defense, move your feet. All defense, move your feet. No matter who's in, you have to move your feet.
Come here. Let's do
Abraham 2. Jared 5. And I want AB 4. Okay?
Look, come here. Guys, real quick. We got Junior, Jax, Abraham.
I'll go check.
AB, Jared. Hey, you guys, I want to run.
Basketball.
Yeah, we can use it. Okay. Man to man. Okay, and set up a 1-3-1. Ready?
Defense on 3. 1, 2, 3, defense.
Hey guys, come on, show me right. Jock, Jack, attack, let's go! Rebound, Jared, attack! You can't rebound, guys!
Back, Jack!
Stay in front of him, Jack. What do we got? Nice. Stay in front of him, Jared. Watch out. Yeah, good deep, boys. JJ, where's your guy? Stay in that corner. Here it comes. Help. Yeah, good deep. Rebound. Good job, Red. Let's run.
Travel.
Run it. Get to the corner and get in. Cut. Oh, Junior swing. Go, Jax, on the way. Yeah, buddy. Yeah! What's up, Jack? Turn around, Diamond. Get that, Jack. Boy, Jack. Now you know what I'm talking about. Makes you beat in the game. Nice job, Abraham! Go, boy! Hurry up, run! Get in front, Abraham, run! Move your feet! Nice job, Abraham! Rebound! Run, Jax, finish strong! Big dog! Yeah! Swing it! Hit that, Jared!
Oh my goodness.
Nice hustle, AB!
Oh my goodness.
Keep moving! Yes! Tee up! See your ball! Yeah, Jack, hit that!
Oh.
Keep playing it, boys! Let's go! Keep it low! Move your feet! Jax is coming right your way! Move your feet! Run! Pump it out! There you go! Yes!
Nice job, boys. Nice shot, Jared.
Come on, Alex. Get him, Alex. Get a steal, Alex. Go ahead, Joe.
Get to it. Alex, look for it. Good. Stay in front. Stay in front. Stay in front. Look, Ivan, come over. There you go.
Yeah, the ball movement.
Yeah! Let's go, AB!
Get to the basket. Get it, Jared, run, Jared.
Go, Axe!
Get to the basket. Get away, get away. There you go, go. Come on.
Rebound!
Defense, Red. Good job. Good defense, Red. Hustle back, rebound.
Hands up! Stay in front! Get in front!
Get there, Red. Go, 5 seconds. Go, let's go.
Get to it!
Next, here's what we're gonna do. Junior, run point. Jacks, 2, 5, and 3. Yep, take a break. Okay. Where's X at? Get over here. Look, this is what we're gonna do. I want Junior 1. Jax, you play 4. X 2, Ivan 3. You 4. Jax, play 5. Okay? You're gonna sub in. Sit up front. You guys got it? Look. Come here. Come here. Look. Junior, X, Ivan, Jax, Andrew, you play big dog. You play big guy down there, okay? You guys man to man real quick? You guys man to man? Man to man. So we get one more bucket and then a set up 1-3-1. Okay, there's no press after that. This is a big court. I'm gonna sub in frequently. Rebels on 3.
1, 2, 3, Rebels!
Big defense.
Nice, that boy.
Get there. Good job, Max. Let's go. Run the floor, Jax. Swing it. There he is. Swing it, Jax.
A shot, Ivan!
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, baby!
Job, Ivan. Atta boy.
Oh my goodness.
Keep rebounding, Red. Good job. Good job, Angel. Way to go, buddy. Swing it, Black.
Sprint! Stay in front of him, Ivan!
Let it go. Let's go. Hustle down. Come on, Red. Good job, man. Come on, get on it.
Yeah, and they're
Good shot. Good shot. Nice pass, Ivan. Hey, pick up, Ivan, pick up, Ivan. Right there, Ivan, here it comes. Here it comes. Stay there, stay there. Run, Red. Run. Set up black. Good job, eh? Yes!
Big court, we're going to settle up, okay?
Black! Nice! Oh. Nice job, Abraham! That a boy! Ready, keep going! Swing it! Swing it! Get in front, Abraham! Get in front! Hands up! Go! Swing it to Jack! Swing it! Swing it! Get it, boy! Look up! Go! Into the basket, Terry! Nice job, Ivan! Oh. Let's get it back on D. Come on, get me a steal. Let's go, Ivan. Let's go, Jay. Get that. Go back. Get on it. Get in front. Rebound, man. Nice. Swing it, let's go. Swing it, go. Go, Jay. Put it up. Good work. Get it back, bro. Turn around, get it back. Come on, Jax. Let's go, Abraham. Let's go, Angel. Hands up. Be ready, get low. Hands up. Get that. Yes. Oh, that's all right, baby. Way to go. Up on the ball. Run. Take care of it, guys. Take care of it. Good job, Jax. Yeah! Turn around, see the ball, please. Stay in front of me. Get low. Ivan, that's you. Get out. Stay in front. Stay in his face. Rebound. Oh. Nice pass, go! Look for the ball! Swing it, you got people! Roll! Get up early, go get him early! Go get up there, get up! Go, Jared! Jax! That's your guy!
Not getting no pizza. You guys get.
Let's shoot rebound. Get your balance and then shoot it.
Let's go, baby.
Seconds, 20 seconds. We gotta go.
Oh.
Get back, Red. Get around. Pick up early. Little higher. Little higher. Little higher, Ivan. Little higher. Jackson, Angel, stay back.
Jack's right there. Back down. Jack's down. Down. In his face. Yes. In his face. Yes. Get there, Abraham.
Get there. Go, go, go.
Oh, pass it up.
Hey, you guys. Hey, come here. Come here. You guys bring it in here. Come here.
Attack.
1-3-1.
Attack.
Right? And you're right here, right? They're trying to get that ball here. This is your steal. This is all touchdown right there, right? You got to get that steal. And not just Abraham. Anybody that's on the weak wing, they're trying to make this pass, this long pass. We should all be digging for that ball. Especially the wings. As soon as that ball gets here, we're stealing and we're taking off.
Andy, pay attention. Look.
Okay, interception.
Put that 1-3-1 again. You guys look real quick. Look. Some people are kind of getting lost on their spots, right? The 1, that's their coverage, okay? And the 5, they got to work the hardest. Junior.
Run it, Junior. Run it.
All the way up.
Yes, sir. Nice job, Junior. Way to get it back, baby. Yeah. Nice job, boys. Jax, get in front of that guy.
Come up, Angel. There you go. All the way.
Much better. Good job, baby. Jax, get in front of that guy when he's down there. Use your body, get in front of him. Nice job, Angel.
Good job, Angel.
Oh. Yes, good. Let's go, boys. Boys, way to go. Jax, good job, boys.
Hey, X. You got to hustle.
Good job, guys.
Angel and X.
D, watch out.
Are you guys tired? Good job. How come you guys are hanging way back here? Let's get up on offense, you guys. Okay.
Start moving there.
Guys, we're going to sub in about a minute. Okay?
Hey, when you're playing the 5, you got to stay
Sub 3 out. Jared's going to go in as a point guard.
Get him behind you like this.
Hey, but
Slap him back.
you're here. You got to come up. Let's go. Okay,
Remember, like I showed you in the bush.
You're here. You're doing this. Okay, you can't just stay back here. You got to help people out.
Oh, hey, there's already 5 out there.
White ball. You got 6 straight out here.
Get out in front of him. Look up, look up. Yes. Oh, way to get your rebound. Hit that.
Drive in, X.
Cut, Junior, cut.
Swing it out. Swing it. Look at it. Look at it.
Yeah! Way to move the ball, boys.
this side.
Jax, make another!
Cut, Ted, cut! One more, AB, one more, AB!
There you go. Stay with it, Abraham.
Good work, Abraham.
Yes.
Get up there, defense low, low. Ivan, get there, Ivan. Get there, Abraham. Move, Abraham, move, Abraham.
Stay with it, Ivan. Yes.
Not a boy. Help, Jared, go to 5, go to 5. AB, go 1. Yes. Hands up, switch.
Jax, get in front of him.
Stay there, go.
Yeah. Woo!
Press break, Jay. Free throw line, free throw, press break. Free throw. Go.
Jax, pass it up.
To the middle.
Get up, Ivan, get up. Nice job, Abraham. Woo! Yeah.
Right there. Get that ball.
Attaboy, Abraham.
Coming your way.
Jax, get in front of him.
Steal. Yeah, AB. Yes. Okay. Good job. Go to the basket. Look up. Go.
Yes.
Up, Jared, ball! Jared, you're on the ball, you're number 1. Look up, here, attack the
Jax,
basket.
look
Not
up.
gonna stop.
There you go. Good.
Go to the basket.
Hit that. Oh. Ivan, hustle. Yes, sir. AB, way to get that rebound.
Go, get it. Abraham, Jared. Good job. Jared, steal. Help, Jax. Back up top, Jared, top. Go.
Nice and easy.
Look it out.
Shoot! Let's go!
Hey, you guys, get some more.
Hell yeah!
You're going to 1.
Tuck your jersey in.
Stop, buddy.
Mommy did it!
Hey, you guys, I know we all can run that layup, but if someone's in front of you, let's make that pass.
Yeah.
So, sure, what do you think?
Yes, 100%.
Hey,
Me and Jared.
I'm not worried about the score, okay? So it's 0-0 still. I need you guys to still play. You play to the very end. We practice to the very end. We play to the very end. I don't care about the score. We continue playing.
Guys,
All right?
Guys, I know Jax, AB, whoever else can run that ball, but if someone's in front of you, make that pass. That ball's going to move quicker. I want to see you guys be able to get that ball on the go. Okay, we have to practice that. That's something we're lacking. Defense on 3.
1, 2, 3, defense!
Let's go.
Good job, Jax.
Stay on him, Junior! Stay in front, stay in front! Has it.
Come on, X, get there. Good job, Angel. Swing it. Move the ball, move the ball.
One more. Get to it, AB. Yes.
Angel. Play some defense. Defense. Back to the back. How you shoot? Go. Go. All the way.
Nice shot, AB.
Turn around, Dia. Drop the ball, X. Go, X.
Nice job, X.
Finish. There you go, creep on him. There you go, creep. Let's go.
Evan, quick. Nice job, Ivan. Yeah, baby. Get you some, Angel.
Nice pass. Go tag him down. Okay. It's not right. That's the shot. Keep shooting. Gotta get rid of some Go, Abraham. No easy passes, Abraham. Block. Go. Get up. Run.
Jax, get down quick. Stay in front, Jared. Stay in front. Nice job, Jared. Nice job, Abraham.
Run.
Get there, Ivan.
Nice shot.
Yes. Nice job, boys.
Gotta get another steal. That's you, Abraham. You ready, Jared? Here
Stay in front, Abraham. Get back in front.
Run. Hit that. Come on, Ivan. Bring it out.
Nice shot, AB.
Come on, Jared. Go back.
Ooh. Nice hustle, Jared.
Go, turn around. Get up, get a stop. Get up, get it, go get it.
Quick.
Go.
Run it, Jared. Look up. 5 seconds. Shoot. Oh.
X, get over here.
No.
Come here. Hey, Junior. Hey, you guys come here real quick. I don't know why there's one. We won by a lot. Okay?
Lightning on three.
Lightning on 3. 1, 2, 3, lightning.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Shake their hands. Let's go.
Good job, guys.
Good guys. We're gonna play hard.
Good job, boys.
Work. You all right?
Good game.
Good game. Good game. Thank you, coach.
Everybody right over here. We're gonna go right over there.